Welcome to World of Kinyo. We're on the island of Sal in Cape Verde. Today we're going on a quad bike adventure. Come with us on this journey and many more. You can find this quad bike tour in the experiences section of the TUI website. 2 or 4 hours are available, and you pay per quad, not per person. Drivers must be over the age of 18 and provide a valid driver's license and ID. We were picked up outside the hotel by Jeep around about 9 o'clock in the morning. The journey to the destination took around 15 minutes. Upon arrival, you will need to complete a waiver form and have your ID and driver's license checked. The tour guides will give you a basic tutorial of how to operate the quad bike. It's very simple. Helmets are provided and must be worn. The seat of the quad lifts up with a small compartment underneath to store a small bag or personal items. When the quad convoy sets off, you will go through the streets of Santa Maria. The route takes you both on and off-road, including hard, sandy and rocky ground. There are a few brief stops along the way to have a break, take some photos and admire the scenery. The first stop is Kite Beach. Here are our top tips for you. Consider bringing a mask or a face covering and sunglasses, as your face and clothes may get dirty. Do not forget sun cream, as exposed to the sun for a long time. Bring water or a drink to keep hydrated. Wear sensible clothing and shoes, no flip-flops. Bring some cash for drinks or ice cream. Do not forget to bring your ID and driver's license for each quad driver. The second stop is the Salinas de Santa Maria. The third stop is Ponta da Frigate, with some dramatic views. On the open stretches, you can let rip on the accelerator for those speed freaks. Be sure to hold on tight, as it can be bumpy. The last stop is a beach bar in Ponta da Beach. We stop for about 15 to 20 minutes, where you can purchase drinks and ice cream, so it's a good idea to bring some cash for this. After a short run back to the quad office, the crew blows off the sand and dirt from your clothes. You are then collected by the Jeep again and taken back to your hotel. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below, press that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel for many more adventures.